Hello viewers, my name is Anis Farhana from BA1144C Investment Analysis. Today I'm gonna summarize 5 chapters of MGT300 Information Technology in Business. In chapter 1, we're gonna learn about business-driven technology overview. Understanding information technology provides great insight to anyone learning about business. Organizations typically operate by functional areas, as example, sales and marketing, operation and logistics, accounting and finance, and lastly, human resources. Departments cannot operate in isolation. They require information from around the organization to operate. There is two types of information technology basic: information technology IT and management information system MIS. IT is a field concerned with the use of technology in managing and processing information. Furthermore, MIS is a general name for the business function and academic discipline covering the application of people, technologies, and procedure to solve business problems. When beginning to learn about IT, it is important to understand data, information, and business intelligence, IT resources, and IT cultures. For Chapter 2, we're gonna learn about identifying competitive advantages. To survive and thrive, an organization must create a competitive advantage. What is competitive advantage? It is a product or service that an organization customers place a greater value on than similar offering from a competitor. First mover advantage occurs when an organization can significantly impact its market share by being first to market with a competitive advantages. Three common tools used in industry to analyze and develop competitive advantage. First, Porter 5 force model. Second, Porter 3 generic strategies. Third, value chain. 5 force model are buyer power, supply power, rivalry among existing competitors, 3 of new entrants, and lastly 3 of substitute product or services. Porter 3 generic strategy. Firstly, broad cost leadership. Second, broad differentiation. Third, focus strategies. Value chain. The value chain approach views an organization as a series of processes, each of which adds value to the product or service for each customer. Next, Chapter 3, Strategy Initiative for Implementing Competitive Advantages. Supply Chain Management (SCM) involves the management of information flow between and among stages in a supply chain to maximize total supply chain effectiveness and profitability. There is 4 components of supply chain management: supply chain strategy, supply chain partner, supply chain operation, and supply chain logistics. Customer relationship management (CRM) involves managing all aspects of a customer's relationship with an organization to increase customer loyalty and retention and an organization profitability. Business Process Reengineering (BPR), the analysis and redesign of workflow within and between enterprises. Purpose of BTR is to make all business processes best in class. Entrance Resource Planning (ERP) integrate all departments and functions throughout an organization into a single IT system so that employees can make decisions by viewing enterprise-wide information on all business operations. Chapter 4, Measuring the Success of Strategy Initiative. 4 components to measure the success of strategy initiative. Key performance indicator, efficiency IT metric, effectiveness IT metric, and benchmarking. Efficiency IT metric focus on technology include throughput, speed, availability, accuracy, web traffic, and response time. Effectiveness IT metric focus on an organization's goals, strategies, and objectives, include usability, customer satisfaction, conversion rates, and financial. Metric for measuring and managing strategy initiative: website metric, supply chain management metric, customer relationship management metric, business process reengineering metric, and enterprise resource planning metric. For the last chapter, organizational structure that supports strategic initiative, organizational employees must work closely together to develop strategic initiatives that create competitive advantages. Recent IT-related strategic position: Chief Information Officer, Chief Technology Officer, Chief Security Officer, Chief Privacy Officer, and Chief Knowledge Officer. The gap between business personnel and IT personnel. Business personnel possess expertise in functional areas such as marketing, accounting, and sales. IT personnel have the technological expert. Issues affected by technology advance are intellectual property, copyright, fair use doctrine, pirate software, and counterfeit software.